talaga ma-in-love mo.
Sorry. Oh my God. Hi. Hi. So, it's so hard to talk because my nakuluas. I have singaw. I have mouth sore. So it's so hard to talk. I feel like my lips are so big. But anyway, I'll try my best. But for now, I'm going to react to Isnir's second video, YouTube video uploaded. The last video I uploaded, I thought it was the second video. I was wrong. It was the third one. So now I'll be reacting to his second YouTube video. It's the high school breakup experience. Yes, high school breakup experience, which I feel like at some point we all experience. It depends na lang the gravity of how it affected us. However, for me, I experienced it sa high school crush na ko. And I was so devastated and nobody knows about it but my diary. Char. So I'll be watching the video now and react to it. So I hope that you will watch it with me and then, yes, enjoy. I'll watch the video now and I'm gonna have my coffee this time. I looked forward for today just to have my coffee. It's the only reason why I woke up. Just to get a coffee. I swear I love coffee. But I'm gonna watch the video now and react to it. And let's go. Okay.
Kuya, para po. Dito na lang po. Bayad ko po. Oh, ma'am, suklin niyo
I
po.
really hope
Kuya,
na si
please
Sean.
change. Go get yourself something nice.
Okay.
Piso? My God. ID mo.
How can she be this
It's a
all
prank.
people? How can she be this people all at once?
Sarap talaga ma-in-love mo.
Sorry. Oh my God.
Be,
Oh, again,
ID
sorry.
mo. It's a prank.
Ay, sarap talaga ma-in-love, no?
Teka, be.
Okay na.
Sorry.
Naamoy niyo ba yun?
Lucky day. Lucky day. I
Amoy
swear.
rushback ako.
No, it's a Muay Thai.
Ano ba yan?
This is the kind of
Roses are red,
life
but
na I
now it is
want.
very
Like,
red.
not caring
Violets
to
are blue,
other
but now it
people.
is navy blue. Salamin, salamin. Sana kayo rin.
Oh, yeah, I know, right?
Guys! Bakla! Inad ako ni Crush! Tingnan mo! Wait,
Oh,
talaga?
this is the continuation to his first video or from his first video. Naging-add siya ni Sean.
O diba? Tapos video niya pa yung story ko, so mining-crush niya ako. Bakla, poser to. Poser? Tingnan mo. Parang di naman poser, te. Tsaka tinarinig mo na ba yung sa kanila ni Joanna? Ah, sino Joanna? Si Sean.
Kapag po, bigyan mo yung Joanna.
Puno na ako, baby. May klase din ako eh.
Okay.
Okay lang yan, te.
Akala ko magiging Joanna. May Joanna pala.
Shit, I'll be hurt.
tae!
Aw. I'm so sad. University of Precious Bidang School. Coffee's so good.
Naalala
Like,
mo pa ba yung kaklase mong
it's
umiyak
all
sa
I
classroom dahil
need,
sa
I
breakup?
swear.
Sabi nga nila, kapag sobra ka magmahal, sobra ka din daw masaktan.
Eh di maghiwalay na tayo!
Aw.
Pare, ha? Ay, wala. Hala, be, parang naluluha ka. Uy, oo nga, naiiyak siya. Hala, umiyak siya. Uy, sino nagpaiyak kay Nicole? Te, okay lang yan, te. Dead ma sa kanila. Break na kami. Kayo ni Jeff? Hala, bakit nangyari?
Oh my gosh. This happened, I swear.
Iyak na kayong tao. Te, okay lang yan, te. Di siya kawalan. Oo nga, te. Ay, te, wait lang ha. Huwag ka gagalaw.
Oh, it's like, sa pinaka-recent video niya, I feel like it was her posting the story Yearning 101, diba? Or no? It was her.
Be, inom ka muna water. Kaso may gamot tong tubig ko ha. May ubo kasi ako, tapos nilagyan ng gamot ni mama. Pero ikaw kung gusto mong mahawa, uminom ka. Pero may gamot kasi talaga tong tubig ko. Ikaw
Okay,
gusto mo pa bang uminom?
just don't give it.
Okay lang yan, malayo yan sa bituka. Uy, huwag niyo siyang palibutan. Bigyan niyo siya ng hangin. Hala, nahihirapan na siyang huminga. Wala guys, dali niyo sa klinik! Hindi. Sa lahat-lahat na pinagdaanan namin, ganun-ganun na lang. Gets kita, te. Grabe naman siya. Ganun na
Girl, was in 1 week pa mo, ha?
2 days.
Oh, fuck! 2
Ano
days!
kung pinagtagpo ulit kayo?
Oh!
Everyone, back to your proper seats.
Uy, te, akin yung assignment ko. Teka lang, malapit na. Wow, sabi mo idea lang, ah.
Now, listen. Since may emergency si Mrs. Zamora, makikisitin muna sa atin yung section Sampaguita. Understood?
Oh my
Okay,
God.
section Sampaguita, please occupy the vacant seats.
It's always exciting when it's like
Okay, class,
this.
settle down.
Ano to, value of wine, no? Ate X. Ha?
Oh my God.
Why yung hinahanap dito eh? Ate X nga. Bakla, kinopia mo din to, no? Why nakalagay sa papel? Bakla, andyan kasi yung ex mo. Tsaka wala din namang value yung mga ex mo.
You know what? Brent looks so good, but I'm Team Sean. Like, I'm solid Sean. Seanatics.
Okay, how was everyone?
Okay lang, ma'am. Ako? Okay naman, Gagi. Ano ko ba, matagal na. Kinalimutan ko na sa loob ng 1 year, 5 months,
Okay,
2
stop
weeks,
it.
and 7 days, and
Oh.
3 hours. Nakalimutan niya nga.
Wow.
Anyways, let's move on. Sana
So
yung iba
exact.
din.
Okay.
Speaking of moving on, let's have a quick recap.
Okay.
What did you learn about our lesson yesterday? Can someone volunteer?
Lesson? Naku, ma'am, marami. Saan
Oh,
tayo
shit.
magsisimula? Doon sa algebra? Na sa tagal-tagal kong nag-solve, mali pala. Na minahal ko siya. Baka algebra.
Oh, okay.
Ano pa kayo dyan sa likuran, ha? Miss Precious, sit beside Mr. Ano pangalan mo, Iho?
Brent po.
Ha, ma'am, dito na lang ako. Ma'am naman eh.
The jam sport bag.
Comeback na ba to? Muli! Ibalik ang tamis sa pag-ibig.
Kaya pa yan, late game!
Tigil nyo nga yan para kayong mga bata.
Ma'am, ayoko nga dito. Kahit sa ibang seat na lang.
Kakaupo mo pa nga lang, iwanan mo na ako agad.
No, I'm Team Sean. I'm Team Sean. Like, solid Sean. I'm not giving in to this.
Time around! So, mas sweet kami ng first love ko dati kasi 3 beses kami nagbalikan.
Ma'am,
Oh.
baka diabetes na yan.
Siyempre, may mga tropa din tayong binasted.
Ay, ano to?
Pokpok palayok, te.
Basta sumunod ka na lang sa amin. Teka, dahan-dahan lang baka masubsob
Pokpok
ako.
palayok. Murag dugay na kay ko nakadumog anong pokpok palayok.
Uy, si Crystal, dyan na, dyan na. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, nakakaingit, nakasama ka. Yan ang panalangin ko.
Okay.
Weirdos.
Me.
Crystal,
Me.
may tatanong sana ako
Me.
sa'yo. Ano yun? Uy, baliktad daw! Ano yung FG, te? Palpak na naman kayo, pre. Crystal, will you be my girlfriend? Yes na yan! Yes na yan! Bogart, paano ba ito sabihin? Ano, sorry pero... study first ka ba? Hindi. Baka may boyfriend ka? Wala naman. Di ka ba ready? Medyo ready.
Oh, shit.
Baka di lang talaga kita type.
Ouch.
Sorry, it's not me, it's you.
Oh,
Ayun lang. Di, okay lang. Okay lang. Ano lang,
No.
rehearsal. Tara na. Sorry ha, andyan na kasi si ma'am. Thank you for your time.
ouch.
Ano tong kaguluhan to? Ba't nagkukumpulan kayo dito?
Group project lang, ma'am.
Saan na kayo ng office? Now!
Yung ampalaya, inuulam, hindi inuugali.
Oh,
Class
sorry.
activity, you'll be working in groups. Reminder ha, this is a performance task. I will divide you into groups of 5 randomly.
I hate grouping. Oops, sorry.
Salamat.
Now for our first group, we have De La Cruz, Garcia, and Manalo.
Thank you, Lord.
5 po, di ba?
Ay, Oli mga pala. Sige, sama na lang natin dito si Batumbakal Precious.
Ikaw?
Tao? Bagay? Palabas ba to? Movie?
Baka movie te, silence means yes, di ba?
Quiet please.
Alam ko na, don't breathe.
O yan, kakasimula pa lang, hard level na agad.
Hayop! Hayop!
Ay, sorry, kala ko hayop.
Mabilis! Mabilis!
Sige pa.
Cheater! Ay, cheetah! Sorry, typo. Sorry.
Parang iba na to.
Oh my God.
Mabilis maghanap ng iba! Ay, hindi. Ay, sorry. Iba pala. Ano? Kailangan...
Ano yun?
Jogging.
Tao? Ano yan? Bagay?
2 syllables.
Shooting star. Iibon? Maliit? Maikli?
Pasensya mo.
Okay.
Guys, bilisan na natin!
Sandan? Sandan!
Fireworks?
Mataas!
Ride mo.
Fireworks! Fuck is that? Fireworks. Paputok?
Sensitive.
Paputok? Paputok ba?
3,
Pumutok?
2, 1. Time's up. Fireworks! Ano? Sabi ko na nga ba
Sino yung isa dyan?
English. Tao. Hayop. Bagay.
Oh, stop it.
Manimik nga kayo. Kaya pa yan, late game! Ano ba ito? 2 syllables? 3? Tagalog? Movie? 3, 2, 1.
Fair?
Time's up. Group 5, 0 over 5.
Okay. Valentine.
Ang kukorny.
Oh my God.
Jessa, di ba?
Kuya Ivan?
May bibigay pala ako.
Hala, huy, nakabala ka pa. Di mo naman kailangan magbigay ng rosas sa chocolates eh. Baka matain na naman ako nito, pero okay lang matae. Mahal kita eh.
Okay.
Pero seryoso kuya, kaya ako always dumadaan sa room nyo. May aaminin din ako kasi
Para kay Crystal. Di ba kaibigan mo yun? Reto mo naman ako.
Hindi to para sa akin?
Uwe, ikaw talaga joker ka. Para sa akin to eh.
Para sa kaibigan mo to. Balitaan mo ako Bawi ako next time. Sabihin mo ako pag may kailangan ka.
I'm so hurt for Jessa.
Thank you. Uy, sobra naman to. Thank you. Ay, hello.
Grabe yung
Thank you
sponsors.
so
Ayun.
much. Girl, pwede ako pawag.
Game time.
Crystal. Wala.
Oh, wow.
Yung debate na napunta sa debate,
Ladies and gentlemen, online class is much more convenient. We can avoid traffic, less stress, less hassle, especially now considering the heat index that our country has been facing.
Face to face. Because it is more honest. Kasi alam mo na estudyante mismo ang gumagawa.
Brent, I love the lip gloss.
Di ba?
Really? Honestly, Mr. Manalo? You're really saying that to my face? Face to face?
Oh my God.
Napakaraming cheaters ngayon
Oh, yeah.
In more ways than one.
Oo.
Ang lalaking gusto mag-cheat, mag-cheat yan. Sa classroom man o sa Zoom.
Oh, wow.
I beg to disagree. Kailangan natin ng human connection. Kasi pag online, mahirap.
Yeah.
Mahirap magpaliwanag, lalo na sa mga false accusations.
Human connection. Online class is much more convenient. Lalo na pag may mga mukha kang nakikita sa face-to-face na
Wala
nakakasama
si
naman
Sean.
ang mental health mo.
That's why I wanted us to meet to fix this. Ang mga ganyang bagay,
Bagay.
ay harap-harapan. Hindi yung
Exactly.
tatalikuran na lang at basta-bastang iiwanan.
Alam mo, tigil-tigilan mo ako sa pagiging sad boy mo, ah. Gusto mo ng harap-harapan? O, edi ngayon na! Why won't you tell everyone, ladies and gentlemen, kung paano
So
ka nag-chat sa
personal.
best friend ko? May pa-cupcake ka pang nalalaman. Sweet.
Fine. Ladies and gentlemen, sinat ko po yung best friend niya para tanungin yung favorite cupcake niya.
Okay.
Mas pasok!
O, ba't di ka pa dumiretso sa akin? Kailangan pa talaga i-chat yung best friend ko?
Because remember, that was our monthsary. Mahal.
Closure pa Pasok mo, pasok!
Kasama pa ba to sa debate? Isa ka rin ba sa di sinayaw ng crush mo ng JS Brown?
Oh, wow. Charlotte.
Thank you.
You love the hair. Yes, ano?
Te, parang ang aga pa para sa Halloween.
Oh, dang.
Grabe, formal wear nga.
Ang kaslaw-kaslaw! Ang OOA.
Ate waiter, pwede pa refill?
Ma'am Castro.
Wala na, mahal-mahalan na. Upo na mga single. Ba't nag-iba yung kanta?
I'll be in the
Can I
corner.
have this?
Promise. Once this song starts to play. Oh, Charlotte. You're so sweet.
Eto na ba yun? Isasayo niya na ba ako?
Oh.
Yes.
Hindi ikaw, excuse me.
Oh.
Mika, pwede ba kita masayaw?
As expected.
Ouch. She's me. Oh, girl, it's okay. Things will get better after school.
Okay, settle down everyone. Magdi-distribute
Sakto,
na
gutom na ako.
Grabe na.
Lakas ng ulan!
We're okay.
Hindi ka na tayo dyan!
Magbe-break din naman kayo.
Kuya, ang galing
Oh
mo!
my God.
Nag-video ako, sasend ko to kay Dad.
Ano ba yan? Nanonood yung baby bunso ko eh.
Send ka na naman. Una na ako, may research kami.
Sige, basta patid ka kay dad ah.
Sige po, ingat ka kuya. Kuya, lagaan niyo si kuya. Uy, teka, wag niyo ako iwan.
Ba yan? Parati na lang akong iniiwan.
Just let it go. This is so BL, I swear. Like, that's it? Grabe, gamay ang exposure na Sean. Okay, it's me. Oh, I love his haircut. I love his haircut. Oh. He looks so pogi. Gosh, I wish I had seen more of him for this episode, but it's okay. That's all about the video. I don't know, like, I mean, nabitin ko, I swear. Like, I feel like I should watch more. And I'm really going to. Pero, for this time, or for this video, please, you like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Help me grow my YouTube account. And then, please do let me know in the comments what you want to watch from me in the future. And maybe I'll do it. So, please, guys, help me grow my YouTube channel. It's like, I'm really trying to really focus on it. So, that's it, and goodbye for now.